2 days from my half marathon, 2 days till my half marathon, and I haven't ran in a month. I am not ready for this. It's like 54 degrees outside. It rained yesterday. Just not looking forward to doing this run. This will be my shakeout run or whatever it's supposed to do before half marathons and before marathons. Maybe it's supposed to be done the day before, but I'm not doing it Friday because I'm busy Friday. Tomorrow. I'm already out here, so I might as well I think I'm just gonna do 2 miles. I got an email this morning about the marathon or the half, and it said that if it's delayed, that they're gonna send an email tomorrow by 7 o'clock, and if the weather's too bad, then it's gonna get delayed till the week after, in which I won't be able to do it. That was not great. I ran really fast at the beginning. I ran like an 8:30 pace for whatever reason. And then after the first mile, I was really tired. So I ended up doing maybe a 10-15 minute mile. I know for a fact if I run on Saturday, I'm not running faster than a 10-minute mile because I'm really tired now. On the bright side though, my my shins didn't hurt. My left knee hurt a little bit, but it was fine. I have 2 main goals that I want to try to complete. One is non-stop running, so no, don't ever walk for 13 miles. And the other is I want to shoot for like a 2:30-ish, 2:40 pace. Originally I was thinking 2:10 because of a 10-minute mile, but realistically it'll probably be like 30 minutes later, so 2:40, 2:45-ish max. There's no cap on this, but I don't want to be running all day. I've got other shit to do. I'm gonna make sure to eat. I'm gonna cook pasta today, eat some carbohydrates, which you're supposed to do, I think, and then just kind of figure it out from there. Peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you want peace, go and throw up the sign. If you want peace, get the animal fries. Put her on